sugar bowl and with a lid and a gallery for the lid to fit on. I like a nice rounded shape for a sugar bowl, and so I'm going to throw a rounded shape on the inside, as I would for a bowl or for the sphere. Right, just establishing that little groove again, starting from the middle, and just pushing the hands out, the fingers out into that curve. Enough. Then in slightly, because I don't want to have it too flared out. Once again, remembering to keep the belly of the pot fairly high because you don't want it to be too squat looking. Now I'm going to make a little groove here. I'll just bring the finger up to that point, take it off. The fingers inside are just resting there. Then put the finger back above that ridge and throw the next part, leaving a nice thick bit on the top here for the gallery. Once again, just to neck it in slightly to give it a little bit of shape. Clean the water up out of the middle. Always remember to keep the bottoms of your pots fairly dryish while you're throwing, even though you keep throwing water in to wet the wall. Okay, now to make a gallery, I just use an ordinary peg, a wooden peg, like that. Some of these wooden pegs come that are very thick. This is a thin one, and you do need the thin one, you don't need the thick one. Okay, finger and thumb either side, the right hand resting on the left thumb. Just push that down into that broad top and make your gallery. So then you can just bring that edge of the gallery out slightly, just to accentuate the curves that you have here. Then again with your piece of garbage bag, keep referring to it as that, but it's really just a very soft plastic that's folded in the middle. Just establish that, make that a nice smooth rim there, and then inside also on the edge of the gallery, just to smooth it and compact it. Back with the trimming tool and just trim off the bottom there. And then I just push that edge out very, very slightly onto that tool, just to get the shape, the rounded shape that I like in a sugar pot. Now, I'm going to make a lid to fit, and I use calipers that are, they're called lip meters actually, or Lid Master is another brand. You measure the inside from the external edge of the gallery, that's where the wall comes up, and then when you turn it over, that's the diameter that I'll have to make the lid to fit that pot. So we'll cut that off. Gently lift it off. Right, now we need around about 120 grams of clay should fit that lid, I think. Fit that sugar pipe. And this is the simplest lid that you can make. It's a flat lid with a knob. So you just centre the piece of clay. Flatten it out to a little block about so high. Maybe about 2 centimetres in height. Then, with your finger, you push your finger down about that far from the centre so that you just leave that piece of clay up in the middle. Pushing your finger down till you've got the lid about so thick. Then, go back and just push down this edge here. Right, now to make that knob, just wet your fingers and just either side and just push it up until you've got it standing up like a knob. Then fingers on either side and just shape the knob to what you want. If it's standing up too high, you know, just push it down a tiny bit. Okay? And then we just put a few finger grooves in it to make it look attractive. And then with your calipers, you measure the diameter. That needs to come out just a tiny bit more. So I'll just push that clay out. And just with my fingers I'm creating the grooves there that I want that make it a nice looking lid. And that's spot-o-on-o. And we're right. Now we'll just wipe up the bit of slip from it. And with the turning tool, just trim, or just a trimming tool I should say, just trim off that little bit of slip from the bottom. And that's it.